Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable game mode in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Now go to Gaming, then click on Game Mode. Finally, toggle the game mode on or off as desired. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.